What if you could have AMG performance, Mercedes luxury, and everyday usability in one perfectly balanced coupe? Today on Futura Motors, we're diving deep into the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53, a car that replaces both the C-Class coupe and E-Class coupe, and does it with serious AMG attitude. Is this the ultimate modern AMG coupe? Let's find out. Introduction: Futura Motors. Welcome back to Futura Motors, your home for future cars, high-performance machines, luxury vehicles, and the latest automotive innovation. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53, a brand-new performance coupe that sits perfectly between comfort and aggression. Built on Mercedes' latest platform and powered by a cutting-edge electrified inline-six engine, the CLE 53 is not just fast, it's smart, refined, and unmistakably AMG. Exterior design: sporty yet elegant. The Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 immediately stands out with a design that blends muscle and elegance. At the front, you get the iconic AMG Panamericana grille, aggressive LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights, sculpted hood lines that scream performance. The side profile is clean and coupe-like, featuring frameless doors, a long hood and short rear deck, 19 or optional 20-inch AMG alloy wheels. At the rear, slim LED taillights, quad-round AMG exhaust tips, a subtle rear diffuser for added sportiness. This is not an over-designed car. It's confident, premium, and powerful, exactly what an AMG coupe should look like. Interior: modern luxury meets AMG DNA. Step inside the CLE 53, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels luxurious, digital, and driver-focused. Key interior highlights include AMG sports seats with premium leather and contrast stitching, a flat-bottom AMG steering wheel with drive mode selectors, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, an 11.9-inch portrait-style touchscreen running the latest MBUX system. Mercedes has blended carbon fiber or aluminum trim, ambient lighting with dozens of color options, high-quality materials everywhere you touch. Despite being a performance coupe, the CLE 53 is comfortable enough for daily driving, with usable rear seats and a practical trunk. Gear: engine and performance, electrified AMG power. Under the hood, the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, an integrated electric motor for extra boost. Power figures: 443 horsepower, 560 Nm of torque, with temporary boost. 0 to 100 km/h in around 4.2 seconds. Power is sent to all four wheels through AMG Performance for Matage Plus all-wheel drive, a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission. The electric assist improves throttle response, low-speed smoothness, fuel efficiency. This is not just brute force, it's intelligent performance. Driving experience: comfort when you want, chaos when you need. The CLE 53 is designed to be two cars in one. In comfort mode: smooth suspension, quiet cabin, effortless cruising. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus. Sharper throttle response, louder exhaust note, tighter steering, aggressive gear shifts. Thanks to adaptive AMG suspension, rear-biased all-wheel drive, precise steering. The CLE 53 feels planted, confident, and exciting, without being intimidating. Technology and safety features. Mercedes packs the CLE 53 with advanced tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera system, head-up display. The MBUX system supports voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates. This makes the CLE 53 not only fast, but future-ready. Expected price and positioning. The Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 is expected to start around $70,000 to $75,000 USD, estimated. It competes with BMW M440i, Audi S5, Lexus RCF, in spirit. But the CLE 53 stands out with inline-six AMG power, advanced hybrid tech, true luxury coupe design. Who should buy the CLE 53? This car is perfect for someone who wants AMG performance without extreme harshness, a stylish coupe for daily use, luxury, speed, and technology in one package. If you want a hardcore track monster, look elsewhere. If you want the perfect all-round AMG coupe, this is it. Final verdict: Futura Motors. The Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 represents the future of AMG, electrified, intelligent, luxurious, and still thrilling. It replaces two models and does it confidently. It's fast without being wild. It's comfortable without being boring. A true modern AMG. Outro and call to action. What do you think about the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53? Is this the perfect AMG coupe, or would you choose a BMW or Audi instead? Tell us in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Futura Motors for more future cars, EVs, and performance reviews. See you in the next one, only on Futura Motors. #